Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we're going to look at some Grumman bottle cap openers for your keyring. Now, they're made out of wood. They've got a piece of metal sandwiched in between. They've got the little pieces to hook to your keyring, and you would use these for opening a bottle after you finish flying for the day. Just want to put that out there in case there's some safety officer watching. Now they're laser etched on one side with the Grumman logo, and of course on the back side you can put your name or your call sign. So stay tuned as we examine a bit more about these bottle opener key rings for your airplane.
I ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content.
So here we go. As you can see, we have three of them, and they're all etched nicely in the wood. There's no finish on the wood or anything. But on the back side, you can go ahead and engrave, in this case, Shop Monkey. So there you go. That's what a Shop Monkey ring looks like, and you can put it on your key ring and carry it with you. If you want to have your name, it can be engraved on the back as well. So you can pick your nomenclature or your nom de guerre or your traveling name, which would be your call sign in my book. And that's available. And of course, while he was making them, I had to make one for me too. So there's one for Roscoe out there. Anyway, these are made by the same guy who's doing the EasyLights for your airplane now. The EasyLights are available in 12 and 24 volts, and this is a little perk he has in his catalog. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. That's what the bottle opener key rings look like for your airplane. Again, they're available from Paul down in Louisiana, and he's doing the EasyLights. But it's a nice thing to carry. It's a way of showing your affiliation for Grumman products, and you get to have your call sign or your name on the back, something to distinguish it for you so you know who it is. So I think it's a good product, and I'm going to give it a thumbs up. So, ladies and gentlemen, we hope you found all this useful and informative. I mean, I'm going to carry mine. I'm not going to be doing a lot of flying, but I will have a bottle opener. So next time you catch me at the hangar and we have some adult beverages in the fridge, guess what I can use to open them? So, ladies and gentlemen, that was a quick look at the Grumman key ring bottle openers for your airplane. Thanks for watching.
You know, forget buying expensive toys for your kittens and cats. We find that just taking the aircraft spruce box and the paper on the tile floor is more than enough amusement for them for hours.